Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then find and select personalize. Here, go to wallpaper, and now you can choose new wallpaper from your own photos, some create with AI picture, dynamic wallpapers or curated wallpapers, whatever you prefer. Let me choose, for example, this one. We need to download it at first. Okay, so it's taking a bit too long, so let me just apply some other photo. For example, this one. Now you can take a look how it looks on both home and lock screen. You can also customize it if you want to zoom it in, out. Let me do it this way. And now tap confirmation mark. Click on home and lock screens if you want to change it on both. And that's it. As you can see, brand new wallpapers covering both home and lock screen of your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.